नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JBN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I am going to take the lecture on the subject named Data Warehousing and Data Mining. Now, today's session is on motivation for data mining. Now, in this lecture, I covered these topics: definition of data mining, motivation for data mining. So, before start, you should know what is data mining. So, as I had already told you about data mining in my previous videos, but let me tell you in brief in this lecture, because those who have not attended or not watched my previous videos can understand this video. So, data mining is basically what? As the name itself means that you are extracting something. Okay, so means here we are talking about data, means you are just extracting the data. Okay, so if you have raw data, then the extraction of data is called data mining, basically in general words. Now, in terms of technical terms, data mining is what? It is basically the discovering meaningful global patterns and relationships that lie hidden within very large databases, right? Or you can say it is the finding hidden information in a database. You can also explain data mining that it is a non-trivial extraction of implicit, previously unknown and potentially useful information from data. So, according to these definitions, what is this? What is the summary? Is basically it is just the extraction of that information which is required at the moment of the task which you are processing. Okay. So now comes to the motivation of data mining. Motivation is what? Means sometimes you are nowadays everybody hear about electronic or virtual classes, right? So we people motivate to do something electronically or something virtually, in terms of you can say for the students like lectures, or in terms of materials provided for the students, or in terms of creativity and so on. So we peoples are motivated when we listen some videos like webinar, Google Meet, Zoom. We motivate that okay, fine, this is the way, so why can't we? So I, or you can say we motivate to those peoples, those things, so that we can also do this thing in that manner. Okay, so in terms of this, the data mining, of course we have a massive amount of data, and you have, your motive is what? You have to mine that data. Then where this raw data exists? Nowadays it is exist in the clouds. Okay, so because this is the computer, or you can say internet era. So the host of technological advances have resulted in generating a huge amount of electronic data, and have enabled the data to be captured, processed, analyzed and stored rather inexpensively. Okay, so this capability has enabled industries and innovations such as banking, insurance, financial transactions, electronic banking, ATMs, credit cards, stock market data, etc. Now the supermarket checkout scanner data, right? Point of sale devices, barcode readers, and we people are very frequently go to mall and purchase the items. Then after selecting those items, we stand in a queue, and then the person who is in the counter, he just read the barcode from the barcode reader, and then create a bill. Okay. So the second you can say is the in terms of healthcare, pharmaceuticals records. We have of course many medicines, so you have to keep all the records of these pharmaceuticals, like company record, medicine record, and the amount record, and the date of expiry, etc. Okay, so the communication, telephone calls, detailed records, of course, because if there is something which is happening which is not right for our nation, so there is also a provision for the call record. Okay, so we have to retrieve the information from there after taking the permission from the authorized person, right? So the location data in this, GPS, cell phones, so internet and e-commerce, in this the weblogs, click streams that generate huge volumes of electronic data. For example, like Walmart has 20 million transactions per day and a 10 terabyte database, and Blockbuster has over 36 million households customers. So can you imagine how massive the data is? Okay. So the need to understand huge, complex, information-rich data sets is important to virtually all fields in business, science, and engineering. The ability to extract useful knowledge hidden in these data and to act on that knowledge is becoming vital in today's increasingly competitive world, such that typically terabytes in size is often stored in data warehouse and data marts. Now here this is a question for the practice. Define data mining. What is the motivation for data mining, right? So thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.